Rais William Samoei Ruto nerigere gutongerera urugori rwa Iuku Ria Minister ADEN Duale muchine munene Iuku Ria riniriria gisiasa niria ririte mantu kathumba jege gisiasa na kinyabura rais wa Nandi na wao mbere Uhuru Kenyatta bombire gutonya wathanini mwakene jwa 2013 Iuku riri rari kumenyekana ta for the record rikarugurirwa muchine munene jwa Nairobi.
Your Excellency, my journey with you in ODM in 2005, and for record, the only time in my political journey with the President, and he allowed me a sabbatical leave, agreed, was during the 2010 Constitution. And I told him, Your Excellency, you know that few key areas that are dear to the community and the region I come from. The card is caught. And today when I look back, I am so proud that even during that referendum, where the former Prime Minister, the former President, the former Vice President, the whole government was on one side and you on the other side, you managed to get behind you over 2.5 million Kenyans.
ADEN Duale is a solid, trusted, and dependable friend and Kenyan. I have walked and worked with him for 16 years. In that 16 years, we've gone through every kind of political experience and situation imaginable. In ODM, in UDM, in Jubilee. Together we founded a political home in URP, in UDA, and finally in Kenya Kwanza. Bare is a trusted and trustworthy person and has no time and place for political betrayal, backstabbing, and the use and dump philosophy perfected by many. I don't want to say who. The younger politicians can learn from us that loyalty pays. It's paid for me. I'm sure it's paid. We all know it has paid for Duale. It's good to be genuine about friendships. It's good to be loyal to friendship. And it's also good also to speak your mind when times calls for speaking your mind.